You will see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He will speak to every one of you in paradise without an interpreter or without a translator. You'll be able to understand Him. And one of the conversations you'll have with Him is that He will say to you, you remember when in secret you were in such a place and you did such a thing and nobody knew about it? And you'll say, yes, Ya Rabb, but isn't that why I'm in paradise? Because you forgave me? And Allah will say, yes, not only did I forgive you, it was a secret and I kept it a secret because you were ashamed. You were ashamed and I forgave it for you because you made it up with other good deeds. Because Allah says in the Quran, إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ. Good deeds wipe away bad deeds. You want to enter paradise? Here is one key. If you are suffering from something that you're doing and you feel ashamed about it, that's a good thing, but don't let it get you into a mental illness. Because Allah says to you, listen, follow it up with a good deed. It'll wipe it away every single time until you are strong enough and you can leave it, inshallah.